guys, today we're going to do yoga. I learned this from school and I'll share it with you. The first one we're going to do is say hello to the sun. I'm going to put our body straight and put our legs straight and put this one here. Now this is the hello to the sun. The second one we're going to do is how to do the planting seed.
Okay, how do you do that?
You do this, then like this.
Okay.
The third one is we're going to do is what? We're going to pretend to be a tree.
How do you do it?
Like this. Here.
Very good. One more. Okay, very good.
Fourth one we're going to do is to be a rain.
Falling rain.
Falling rain.
How?
That's how.
So what did you do?
This is the falling rain. Last one I'm going to show you is pretend to be a flying bird.
So how do you do it?
Like this.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
Did you get it, guys? Did you do it? Wow, that was the question. Did you enjoy, guys? I did.